Products is a stocking taco pumps and parts distributor. Have you been looking for a quality pump to fit your application? Manufactured in the USA, Taco Pumps focuses on efficient operation and unmatched reliability. A 100-year-old global company, Taco's products save you energy, money, and ensure easy operation. They also offer a complete range of pump solutions across a multitude of industries. Pump Products offers a wide variety of taco pumps for sale, including circulator pumps, radiant heat control, recirculating pumps. We also stock a full line of Taco A controls, A flanges, A motors, and A repair parts. Browse our Taco Pump catalog where you'll find the most important and up-to-date information on Taco products, including Taco pump curves, specifications, model numbers, part numbers, brochures, instruction manuals, and product images. Pump Products is a leading taco online pump dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy taco pumps direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to taco pumps and parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.